As drones are becoming more affordable, more and more people are also starting to buy and use them for different applications for hobby and business. We know you're excited. But regardless of your experience, you should always make safety your top priority. So before you fly, here are 5 things to keep in mind for a safe flight. Check the weather forecast. Make checking for the chance of rain, wind gusts, and cloud cover a habit each time you go out to fly your drone. Fly under optimal conditions to get the good quality photos and videos, and to avoid any untoward incident. Watch out for zones that may have signal jammers, altitude limits, or flight restrictions. Avoid violating local restrictions and prevent flyaways by knowing the area where you intend to conduct your flight. Consult local government offices to know the permits you need to secure, especially when you're flying in public and crowded places. Make sure that the batteries are fully charged. LiPo batteries discharge after some time when unused, so before you go out, make sure that they are fully charged for a smooth and uninterrupted flight. Ensure that the motors, propellers, and landing gears are functioning normally. Drones also go through wear and tear. Check for chips or cracks on the propellers and landing gear. The motors should also rotate smoothly. If you see any abnormality, have it checked and fixed by a professional to avoid accidents while you're flying. Double-check your aircraft's failsafe protocols. Prepare for emergencies by ensuring the redundancy of the failsafe protocols of your aircraft. Enable features such as obstacle avoidance and vision positioning, and adjust the maximum and return to home altitude. Taking the time to know your drone, preparing a pre-flight checklist, and understanding the local regulations and restrictions before your flight could make the difference in ensuring your drone returns back safely at the end of its flight. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to see more drone flying tips. See you next time!